This is Syed Zirak Hussain Gelani, and this is a very new channel, and this is a very new series on this very new channel. So we will be trying to make some artworks in a very little time. We will call them quickies. So this is 2.93.3 version of Blender, and let's discuss the idea for today. The idea for today is a man standing and looking out of a window towards the city with a car standing beside him and a piano or a violin, whatever it is, a music instrument which is like a guitar, and when it plays it feels like someone is crying, and we will be putting that at one side just to make it aesthetic. So we will not be making everything. We can, but I don't know how to. So we will be taking a lot of things from Sketchfab or any other website from where we can download .gltf models which we can use. So let's go to Chrome. This is Chrome, and we will write Sketchfab, and we will go to Sketchfab. First of all, I would like to download this chair. I think it would be usable. Will look quite aesthetic when in the model. So what is about the GLTF models? The GLTF models are good. They come textured already, so you don't have to try a lot. We have the chair now. We will go for the piano. So we can go for any piano. We are not looking for details because we will be eliminating the colors or something. We will try to show a monochrome version because it's aesthetic. This will work fine. This model is by Daily Art and is downloadable. So attribution is required. I have attributed it. I am not going to use it commercially. I am going to download it in cookies. Yes. So the internet speed is quite alright. So now I need a Porsche. So as you can see, there are models for almost everything on this website. This model looks good. It looks good. So, oh my god, it looks good. This model is by Lexi C16. If you are watching this, nice work. We will download this model by clicking on the download button. It's downloaded. So now we will have to stage the set, but before that, let's download our Ghost. So in Ghost, we should have something which looks like a man. Bad English. Sorry. Nothing. Nice. So Ghost didn't work. Man should. Nice models, but nothing is free yet. So what we can do, looks nice, but has a lot of artifacts on it. So we will keep looking. Yeah, this guy looks good. I'm sorry for the speed. Let's pause this so it loads faster. I think it has already been a lot of time to call it a quickie, but it's okay. Come on. Yeah, here he is. So he is good. Not in our reference. Not what we need. Yes, this is what we need. No, this is not what we need. We'll keep looking. This will work properly. Commercial use is allowed, so if my channel ever gets monetized, so please remember that its commercial use was allowed. Sorry for the burp. I ate a lot of rice today and I'm fat. I don't know if I'm going to put music in the background of this video. I have to search for English words sometimes. General, Control S, desktop, left click. Wait a minute, right, left, yeah, left click. So in quickies, we are going for quickie 1. Save the blender file. Delete the default cube because I wanted to. Wait a minute. Okay. So we're going to set the stage for our models. So what are we gonna do? We're going to render it in cycles because it is better. So Shift A, left click, plane. Now we need to make this plane a bit longer. So S to resize it on Y with Y, and that's okay. And now we will go for wait a minute. So let's go to sketch frog again and type in city. Yes, nice. We will use this city because it's looking good. Nice. Someone did a very good work. I could never do that. So this is done by Rustlands 3D. Nice work, dude. Thanks too. So let's pause this. Start this. Cookies. Yes, cookies. Start download. Nice speed. In the meantime, let's go here and we want to give an impression that the man is looking out of a window. So we would like to make some windows on this side. How would we do that? Come on. He came on. If it's right to say. Start. That's my personal work. So we will press tab to go in tab, and then we will select this edge, go to edge, then select this edge and press E to extrude it on Z. And I think this is okay height, okay-ish height, but we need to keep it in reference of our, sorry, quickies. So we need to extract this and then see what is the size of that. Go back, tab, file, import GLTF, apocalyptic and scene.gtf. It's going to take some time, I think, because it's big. Yes, it is quite big. So view and clip distance, I don't know. Yes, now it looks good. So we're going to keep it here like this. Still, yeah, now it works. So let me show you that why I chose this GLTF model. So as you just saw, now you know why I chose this .gltf model. So what we are going to do is keep this in view here. The camera will look through here, right here. So Control Alt 0 to bring camera here, and the camera is looking at nothing because the clip distance of camera is very small right now. So I don't know where that is. Let's look for it. Think here. No. This is not the properties panel of camera. Depth of field, yes. Camera size 36mm focal length. I don't know where clip start, clip ends at 10,000. Now if we go to 0, you can see that I'm pressing 0. This is the view, and I don't know how to close this menu either. So let's work like this. This is 0. This is 0. So this is the view from our camera. So what we want to do now is let's turn off depth of field. Yes, now it's okay. Oh, let's turn it on. So now what we need to do is grab this on Z, this camera, grab it on Z and bring it a little bit upwards. So that was quite a little bit. Yes, now it's good. So now what we need to do is select a plane wherever it is. I don't know where it is. So now that it is selected, let's grab it on Z. Now I can see where it is. So this small thing somewhere here, where did it go? Whatever size, make it bigger so I can see it. Everyone can see it now. Size. Oh, no, it looks like a laptop. Ah, shitty one. So we need to bring it down. Grab it on Z, bring it down. Yes, yeah. Or it on Z by 90. Yeah, wrong 90. Minus 90. Now grab it on X and here, and grab it on X again. Bring it a little bit here more, and then grab it on Y. Bring it back. Now go to 0. Okay, now grab it on X here, grab it on Z here. Now S, resize it. Now what is happening is it is covering. Yeah, okay, now it's okay. So 0. So from 0, now what we are going to do is separate the panels. You can go tab and this space, select this space, right click and separate it, separate the selection. Okay, so now this is a different part. So this is different, this is different. Okay, now you know. So we are going to extrude and do something, but we are going to loop cut or do something, but we are going to make 1, 2, 3 big windows inside it. 0 and tab. So we are now in tab. Select this, and I have forgotten that how did we use to loop cut. Control R and 1, 3, 4. Yeah, that's good. So what we'll do is make these loop cuts and let them stay here. So now what we are going to do is select this face, Control R it, do, and then S them on X so that they go sideways. Here, how much did I pull? I don't know. S on X by and make it 2.5. 2.5 looks good, but 2.7 will look better. And then I select this face again. I will select this face, Control R, and here we can get a uniform cut. So okay, it is okay. Now S it, no, S it on Z. So the upper window will go out of the camera. I do not have coronavirus. So these will be our windows. So now what we are going to do is select a face. We're going to select this face and then Control R to loop cut it. Yes, 2. I use scroll bar to make them 2, and then I S them on X by 2.7. Nice uniform. I don't know why it goes from face to some other things, but okay. So now we have a Control R scroll bar to make them 2, S then them on X and do 2.7. Again select face and go select this, Control R, 2, and then S on X and say 2.7. Now we have windows. So how are we going to make windows? Like this. So how are we going to do this? We just selected this face, delete faces. Here's a window. Delete faces. Here's another window. Delete faces. Here's another window. Delete faces. Here there's another window. So now we have almost how much windows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 windows. Now we want, but okay. So now we're going to give them a material, new material, whose alpha would be less so that they can be transparent. So what we are going to do is assign them a color. The base color will be a little bit yellow. No, not the whole. Control Z, Control Z. No. So we need to separate them. Separate the selection, separate the selection, separate the selection, separate the selection. Go back tab. We can select either of these. So we just give a new material to this one and give it a base color of almost yellowish, dark yellowish. Yes, brownish if you say. So what is the hex code of this is now E7B500. Okay, E7B500. Let me write it down somewhere because I have a small memory. E7B500. Okay, now what we are going to do is change the alpha to 0.2, but it didn't change anything. I don't know why. So alpha clip, yes. So let's turn this off, and 0.5, no, nothing. 0.7, 0.6, backwards color, shadow mode, alpha clip. I don't know if it is not making any changes or it is my PC, it is slow. So when it's 0.5, it makes it opaque, and anything lesser than 0.5 makes it completely transparent. How? Why? Okay, so screen space refractions are now on, and we should have this as alpha hashed. Let's see now. Okay. Why is transparency not? Okay, from this side it is transparent. What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay, I think the backface culling is no. Now we have nothing. So let's turn on the backface culling and rotate this bad boy on z-axis by 180. Yeah, we're gonna go to 0, grab it on x here, and then grab it on z. Yeah, grab it on y, grab it on y here. Yes, now we are good. 0, grab it on x, and here it is, our window. So now if we change the alpha value of this, think we are changing the tint, which we are not. I'm just a fool. So if we alpha hash, or if we alpha blend, will it change anything? Will it stay the same? Alpha clip, alpha hashed, alpha blend, alpha hashed, alpha clip. Wait, face culling. Oh, nice. Yes, this is what I need. This is what I need. Now just material 1. Just give it material 1. So this is our material 1. Oh, nice. So this is material 1, and this is material 1 2. It's not material 1 2, it's material 1 DOO. Let's yeah, do some things with that. Yeah, make it a little bit less of a, yes. So our apocalyptic city is not being shown. So what do we do for that is go to 0, then go to 1 7. Now we are seeing this from up. Grab it on X, now Y, and take it a bit away. Control Z, don't do that. Yes, so what we are going to do is just go like this, and then go like this, and then we are going that in this view. Now that we are in this view, we are going to just select all of this. Yes, or escape. Just select this. Just select, yes, this right on this, and select it. Hey, yes. Okay. Shift. No. Go to solid mode. Okay. Now grab it and move it on X a little bit out of the scene. Now we're going like this, going here, yeah, no, yeah, this is good. No. So we are going to show the broken cities. So what we're going to do is select all of this, and now we are going with this selected, going to 0, grab it on X, move it a bit here, yes, looks good now, and then grab it on Z, move it a bit up, a bit more up. Okay, now it looks good. So we're going back here, and we're bringing in our windows, the tinted windows, all of these, Control M, and call them the Control M, Shift M, Escape, Shift M, new collection, and call it Scene. Caps lock, no caps lock, I don't like caps lock. Scene, okay. So now just grab them there. Just first of all check if it's something is getting downloaded. No, nothing is. Okay. Go to 0, grab them on X, bring them here. Yes, yes. So here. After that, let's bring the Control Z. Control Z. What Control Z must do is select all of this. Yes. Now we're just going to press this with camera. Grab all of this on Z. Yes. Yes. Now it looks like 8. Whatever it is, it's getting deleted. We go to 0, and whatever this is, the whole thing. So what we're going to do is select 0 and Control Z, 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 Z. Okay, so we are going to grab on Y and pull back a little bit. Yeah, yes, I'm gonna grab on Z like this. Nice. So now we are just going to texture this. Texture this. I don't know what to texture it. So let's texture it like something like rocks. Yes. Or we can select any texture from here. Like I can find, if I can get the texture of this. No, they are connected. No, they are connected. No, yes, might be. So this is mesh 17. So let's see what is. We colored this as mesh 17. Nothing. Okay, Control Z. So we don't have any. I am very. Sometimes I'm very. Okay, what is this? What is this? What is this? The debris. 19 default D. So 19 default D, you are going to be 19 default D. Let's see what it is. Not impressive at all. So let's just remove this and go to CC0 textures. CC0 textures. So CC0 textures are now ambient CG. So supports Pixar USD. Oh, nice. So we are going here, and then we are just going to select something from here. This will be a good ground in low light. We want something more rugged. These could be walls. This could be walls, but this would be better walls. So we are going to download this, and 4K would be enough. And JPG, yeah, nothing to say about here. And let's pause this, and let's download this here. Start download. Impressive speed. So we are going to here, then we are going here, and we are going to unpack our. So Imperial Death Trooper is going to be a man who has done all this. Our armchair would be the chair he would be using to comfort his bum. And the Porsche 911 930 911 Turbo would be his car. This would be the piano which he would like to play, and the texture is coming right now for his. Yeah, this is a texture for the wall, and now we need a texture for the. Yeah, here's the texture. You see, this is a very good website. You can get all the textures from here for your project. If you are detecting a fake accent in my talking right now, I don't know why I am doing this, but I'm enjoying it. So I might keep doing this. In the meantime, I will go here and just unpack it to its own folder. Once done, I will go and check it and see if it is good. So this is the preview. Nice. So let's go and start with the texturing method. We will be using we will give it a new texture. We will go to tab, and then we will just go here into shader editor. Then we will bring this thing here, and we will first of all bring in color, displacement. I don't use ambient exclusion very much. Normal, roughness. So what do we have? Normal. What is this? Why? I don't know why. I'm not very good at this, you know. I'm not very good at this. So let's connect the normal here. Displacement should go there. Color. Let's connect the color. And as you can see, it is now colored. We'll bring in the roughness. Where is roughness? Here is roughness. And then we will let it hang for a minute. Control X to save that. Go to displacement and put the displacement here. Now that we have done it all, we'll press Control A. In this Control A, okay, it is hanging for a minute. Control A, Shift A. I told you I'm not very good at this. Go to UV editor, close this, open this, start this back. So here we have this. So what we're going to do is select all the faces. No, not all the faces. We're just going to select this face first of all. Unwrap it. Unwrap faces. Unwrap. Now that it is unwrapped, we will select all here and S it on X. No, S it on Y. Then grab it on Y here, and then S it on Y again. So this is good. So now we need to select this, U to unwrap it, and that's good. Then U to unwrap it, and then we will have to zoom in a bit. Zoom in. So what we have done is called zoom in. Then we U unwrap. Let's select all. U unwrap. Oh, nice. So we have unwrapped all. So now that we have unwrapped all, but it is too big. No, too big. We are going to unwrap. Unwrap. Plenty. Plenty. I'm not talking because I'm bored. You must be bored at this time too. I don't blame you for it. It is a boring process that I am doing right now. You can call me a noob, which I am, a newbie, which I am too. I just do it for fun, and sometimes to earn when I have nothing. So gives me money, I am happy. So very little left. Little of this is left now. Little of this. I'm sorry if I am using your language very unpleasantly, but I'm not a native, so let's go 0 and see if this is going to see that hole. It is, so let's do one round this way. So go back, tab. So now what we need to see is that if it has worked. It has worked. So you can see that there are grooves on it. So when light will appear, it will be very dramatic. What we're going to do is select this and then do something to reduce its brightness. Shader editor. Here. So this is a base color, base BSDF, emission strength. This is 0.5. So we want to give a bit. Yes. Now if we go to 0, it looks very dramatic. So now we can go back for a minute. Okay. Okie dokie. So what we are going to do? You see that? Did you also see that? Why didn't you told me? 4, 5, 7, 1, 3. I don't know. Okay, I don't know how long this has been now, but okay, let's grab this on Y and let's try to clip it in. I think it is clipped here. Yeah, not bad. Okay, so now, so if we go to 0, can we see the line? Yes, grab on X. Okay, it's okay-ish now. We are not going for, we're not going to sell it out. So where is our newly downloaded? Yes, here it is. So I don't know what is new with this. It is very yes, confusing for me because it is this GL and DX of normal, but I have used DX I think so for last time. I will keep using that for this time too. So what we are going to do is bring in color, and let's connect it here so that it might hang for a minute, which will have to control this. Don't ever forget to keep saving your scene because Blender might crash, because it crashes. So remember that you cannot forget saving. So the normal will work right now, okay? I know it very well. But doing this arc, I love it. So now we just left with the roofness. Here comes the roofness, and here comes the roofness. Now we have all of it, so we can just linear repeat. Okay, so what we are going to do is go to this and UV editor and go to this tab, select this face, and as you know, I think that, I don't know, it's okay, 0, it's okay, yeah, it's okay, it's okay-ish, so okay-ish is okay. So right now I think we are working in cycles. No, I thought my new graphic card was too good to work in cycles, but it was not, but it is still good. I should unwrap this. View, unwrap, tab, nothing. So now I should bring in the main character, import the main character, which is this guy, and Death Trooper. Yes, it is the Death Trooper. So now it is It has hanged. So it is selected. So I have Control S to save it. Illustrator has been downloaded. We'll start this download. Okay, now I will use S to size it down. Yes, size it down. What we have right now is that these bones, I just hid them. Okay, so here we are. We're going back to this mode. Select, back to this mode. Control M, no, escape. Shift M and call it the Death Trooper. Okay. So now that the Death Trooper is here, let's rotate it on the y-axis by 180 so it stands. Now grab it on Z, bring it up here. Now go to 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Go to this same and grab it on Y, bring it back. So now it is on the other side. Now grab it on X. Yes. Now grab it on Y. Grab it on Y. Yes. So go to 0. Now S it. Make it bigger. And bigger. Now Control S. Save it. Now grab it on a Z. So I don't know yet that how to use bones. So I would be just changing the position of these hands, which I think I can't. Oh, I can make him play the piano. Control Z. Control Z. Come on. Control Z. Control Z. Select him. Okay. Don't. So I'm going to Death Trooper and select objects. So I will grab him by and on X, rotate him on Z, like this, 0, and then what I'll do is and bring in the piano. Bring in the piano. So where is my piano? Hello piano. Hello piano. So this is the piano. The piano has its own chair, which I don't like. So 0. Grab it on X. Now grab it on Y. No. Why are you so speedy? So grab it on Y. Bring it here. S it to scale it down. Go to 0. Grab it on Z. Yes. Grab it on Y. No, X. Now R it on Z like this. Now as it move to make it look like. Grab it on X. Grab it on Y. Right. Okay. So the piano should be grab it on Y. Should be about here, and then S it to make it a little bit bigger. Yes, it is okay. Grab it on Z. Here. So I just need to check that nothing is going down. So let's just delete. Hey you, yeah, you only. My man is not going to get deleted, so it will get deleted from this scene. So now we are going to Death Trooper. Select the Death Trooper, and this I need to select the Sketchfab model. Select. Oh, it is not that. Select. Now select hierarchy. Select hierarchy. Yes. Now S it on Z. Make it taller, and then grab it on Z, so that it feels like that my Death Trooper is playing the piano after burning down the whole city. So select hierarchy, grab it on X and push it to this side. So now what I need to do is delete its texture. And textures, delete it. No, it will delete. Okay, can I select these keys? No, I cannot. So, yes, I can. Why not? So, select the root. Root. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, no, sorry. Yeah, I'm a noob. Okay, so 0. And he is playing the piano. I want to give him a bit. Select objects, go to material body. Yeah, no, control Z. No, yeah. Okay. Yeah, we will bring in lights and red lights. Okay. Let's control S to save this and see this in workbench is really bad. Cycles. Let's see what cycles will do. Nice. So what cycles will do is bring in some grain, but once we will have added lights, the grain will be gone. Okay, so yes. So now that we have done this, we will go back to Eve. In Eve, everything is a bit damp. So now we will bring in our car, the Porsche. The Porsche. Where is the Porsche? The chair is not going to be used, not going to get used. I need to work on my. Okay, so the model is quite small. Grab it on Z. So this is it. Grab it on Y. Here. S to make it a little bit bigger. And then S to make it more bigger. Bigger. Yes, go to 0. Now grab. No, don't go to 0. Don't go to 0. Grab it on Z right here. Grab it on Z right here. Bring it down here. C. Grab it on Y. No, not Y. X. X here. Rotate it on Z like this. About here. Yeah, we can do it like this. So now go to 0. Grab it on Z. Here. Bit down. Yes, okay. So grab it on X. Grab it on Y. So let's make these emissive. So go here and make them emissive. Let's go to SDF emission. So in emission, let's go to Control S to save this all and go to the cycles. So we are in cycles right now. So what we are going to do is now that it is emissive, here the strength should be about 10. This is bringing in some. Okay, so let's just make them a bit yellow. So their base color is base color. So we are. No, that's just not. That's okay. Okay, we can do this. Give them. No, Control Z. Control Z. Okay, Control S. So it is now emitting. So now we need to add light to the scene. We need to bring life to this, to the grains we have in our scene. So what we need to do is the Death Trooper should be a little bit visible. So we are going to, first of all, we are going to Eevee. If you are listening to a program in the background, it is my mother listening to something I don't know and I don't want to know. So let's bring a light. Yes, light. So the light should be somewhere here. So we can go Shift A, and we are going to bring in light. Light. Okay, it could be a light probe, or it should be area light. Okay, grab it on Z, and then grab it on Y. Bring it here. Now it is here. Okay, then grab it on X. X here. Yes, right on his head. Right on his head. No, not him. Z. Grab it on Y. Right on it. Right on his head. So go to 0 and go to the light. Select point. Spot. Area light it was. Yes. We are going to get 50 watts of power, and control has to save that. And now let's go to cycles, because cycles is the engine we are going to use for this scene. So first of all, what we are going to do is bring this down and 0. Okay, now grab the light and Z and bring it down. So now we're going to the light. The light is very low. I don't know. 150 watts. No light. Why is light not working? Why is light not working? So why is light not working? I don't know. The scene is quite big, I think so. So let's make it 1000 watts. No, why? 8 meter. 20 meter. So the light, no, there is already enough light here. So what we need to do is bring a cocoon here, a black light cocoon. 0. Now light is not too much. Okay, first of all, my car is not grab it on Z here, and I think it should not be facing here. So let's select this hierarchy, rotate it on Z, and yes, this would be better. 0. Yes, a car is standing, but you don't know what car it is. Okay. Then we need to work on the lights now. Where is the light? Now let's make it a bigger. S, make it bigger. Now we do 0. So let's try the cycles now. The light should be working fine, but it is not. So I don't know. 10,000 watts. I don't know. 100,000 watts. Spot. Sun. Even the sun is not working here. I think I should try something else. Yeah. Color. The color should be reddish. Reddish. Very reddish. So the light is not working well. The light is not working very well. First of all, the camera should be up from where it is. Ah, here we go. It is stuck. See? Control S. Grab it on that. Grab them there. This is one. Secondly, what you should do is delete this light, shift a plane, the plane, where is the plane? Grab it on that. Here is the plane. S it, make it bigger. Yes. Grab it on Y, bring it on his head. Okay. Okay, size it a bit more. then 0. Now rotate it on Y like this. Okay, so grab it on Y, grab it on Y, 0, and then move this here and put it on emission. Now that it is on emission, now let's go to samples, Ctrl S to save it. Now just say, yeah, let's see that it's working, it's working. Now we need to make a drama out of this. How are we going to make drama out of this? To do that, we are going to light. We're going to slide and there's this thing. Yeah, no. Oh, come on. Yes, the light is good. The color is not. Yes, nice red color. Yeah, still too much. Still dark. Too dark. Yeah, nice. So let's render this now. Rendering is going to take some time. It will cut it off from between.